All around the globe, there would be many thinking to give it a shot to solo ads for their business. But they are confused whether it will be worth it or not. Well, let me guide you along the way. With the increasing competition in almost every business niche, targeting traffic is now extremely tough. So, to cope up with it, solo ads have come as a lifesaver. This type of advertising is exactly what helped countless beginners build their business from scratch. Now it is up to you whether you want to stand out or want to struggle in the competition. Hi guys, my name is Shelly and in this video I will be clearing out all your confusion by answering why solo ads are right and best for your business. Before we dive into the main topic, first you need to know what solo ads are all about. And before we begin with that, I would request you to please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Alright, now let's make it simple for you. Solo ads are paid advertisements that a solo ad vendor sends to their email list on behalf of your business. And that advertisement contains the link that will drive traffic to your website or funnel, and you will only have to pay per click to the vendor. Sounds easy? Yeah? Well, I would say that solo ads are so effective that no matter what kind of affiliate offer you have in the make money online niche or maybe in the weight loss niche, it will work in unexpected ways. Trust me. See, to be very clear, solo ads work wonders, but remember, not for all. Yes, and the main reason behind the unsuccessful stories is that they don't put all their efforts into it, or maybe they don't seek proper knowledge that's necessary to be implemented. And unfortunately, they lag behind, leading a low profitable business. But the chances of getting unsuccessful in the case of solo ads are very, very low. So, not to worry. Looking at the positive and the greener side of solo ads, let's now proceed ahead. And yes, after this video, I will surely make you believe that solo ads are actually worth giving your time and money. There are few points to keep in mind before going for solo ads. First of all, for starting over with solo ads, it is important to find a solo ad list or a solo ad seller. If you find the best solo ad seller for your business after doing a proper and a good research, then you will surely end up getting good results from it. Second, a quick reminder for you to always start with small. I repeat, always. No matter how much confident you are, still start with small number at the first instance. Start by buying a small amount of clicks and see what the outcome is, and then make a decision to scale it. Got it? The third point before choosing any solo ad seller is to make sure you have gained complete knowledge of it. Researching about the seller will make it easy for you to analyze whether it will help you to earn in future or not, or simply go through the customer reviews. Okay. Now let's see for whom solo ads work the best. Solo ads can work for all types of budgets, as only a couple $100 are enough, so even beginners with a bit of budget can order their solo ads package. Just remember to start with small. Secondly, if you are in a make money online niche or health niche which is quite overcrowded with content like affiliate marketing, solo ads will work great for you. And also, if you are about to launch a product and need traffic instantly, it works like a magic. And thirdly, I would say if you want to drive sale directly from your emails only, then there will be nothing better than solo ads. So yes, it is safe to say that solo ads can work quite well for almost all offers that are in the make money online niche. So at the end, I would say it is absolutely in your hands. If done right, it can give you excellent results. All in all, at the end of this video, we can conclude that solo ads are the right choice for your business. And if you have any suggestions or query, feel free to ask in the comment sections below. At last, if you found this particular video useful and if you would like to be a part of my community, I want you to join my Facebook group. Link is mentioned in the description box below. Go and join it right now. I look forward to engaging with you in this group. I will see you there. Make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that like button. Thank you for watching it so far. Cheers. Bye bye.